Moonbound with Candy Crypto Realist. Please, if you're watching our video for the first time, kindly hit the subscribe button and the like button down below, and it will be much appreciated. So on today's video, we'll be talking about, I think today will be the part 3 of me explaining more about the trading cryptocurrency, the trading course or the trading class, just basic understanding on the trading course or trading class when it comes to crypto. Today, these are what I will be talking about today in this video. We'll be talking about trading course, basic DeFi understanding explained. What I'm trying to talk about here is decentralized finance explained in details. We'll be talking about how to use deskcreener.com, how to use decentralized exchanges like Etherscan and BSC Scan. But I'll be working more with BSC Scan because it's something people tend to use, and we have little or less gas fees when you're trading Binance. BSC Scan simply means Binance Smart Chain Scan. Etherscan simply means Ethereum Scan. And I'll be talking about PancakeSwap. PancakeSwap is a ba- it's a PancakeSwap is a network under, it's a token or a network, a platform under the Binance Smart Chain. Uniswap is also a platform. Uniswap and SushiSwap are platforms under Etherscan, but I'll just breeze in through Uniswap, not SushiSwap, because if you understand, they all have the same user interface. That is just it. If you're able to use the PancakeSwap, definitely you can use the Uniswap because there's no much difference in the user interface. We'll be talking about the Poo Coin App, MetaMask, under MetaMask, how to add new token and how to add networks on your MetaMask. And we'll be talking, and then I'll also just talk about chainlist.org and what it does and the decentralized finance platform as a whole. So let's head on to what we are supposed to be doing today. And first thing we're going to be looking at is the desk screener. This is how the platform really looks like. So what is Desk Screener? Desk Screener is a platform whereby low cap coins are listed on it. It's a platform where you tend to find low cap coins. Low cap coins you don't tend to see on platform like CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko, which I spoke to you about, which I did a video about. I think 2 of my videos, or the first video I did regarding the trading course, I talked about CoinMarketCap. So coins that are low cap simply means low capital, you cannot find on it on CoinMarketCap or you're on CoinGecko. Definitely you tend to find them on Deskscreener. And one advantage about Deskscreener is it's a platform whereby it has so many blockchain network on it. As you can see on Deskscreener, you can easily find an Ethereum, the Ethereum blockchain, the Binance Smart Chain blockchain, the Polygon Smart Chain, the Avalanche, the Phantom, the Harmony, the Chronos, Osmosis. All these are all blockchains that crypto tokens are built on them. Different crypto tokens are built on them. We have the Avalanche and all of them, but I think just a few of them are not found on this platform. I think Solana is not on this platform yet. I think so. Coins built on the Solana platform are not on their screener yet, I think, because it is not listed here. But let's just see how it goes. But so back to explaining all about desk screener and how it works. So I'm going to use a typical example of how you can go, how you can really navigate on desk screener as a website. First of all, I need to copy the contract address of, let's say, a major token from CoinMarketCap. Let me use that as an example. CoinMarketCap, and what coin would I use now? Then which I will use as an explanation. Let me use 1 minute. Let me use what coin am I gonna use? Let me use this coin BSCS. Yeah, basic station. It's a Binance coin, by the way. So what do I do now? This is the contract address of BSCS. It's a coin that is on the Binance Smart Chain. So what do I need to do is I copy this address. Automatically I've copied it, because if you watch below, you're not seeing a concrete chart of how it should look. It's that this chart is just the coin market cap chart. It's not looking like a candlestick. It's a line chart, which might be very difficult for people to understand. But now on Desk Screener, once I go on Desk Screener, you would see it's going to give you something more detailed and something you can relate with. All you need to do is you come search here and you paste the contract address. This contract address simply means it's it's like, let's say for instance you register a company under a government, and that a license number is given to you. So contract address are simply called license numbers, which is used to know that you are the actual owner, because so many people can come up with names similar to yours, but once they have similar names but they might not have the same license number or contract address. So contract address simply differentiates a coin from the other, especially with in this ecosystem whereby we have so many newbies coming in, and newbies that are coming in, most of them don't tend to do the right research and they end up being scammed. But with what is it called, with a contract address or the license number, you can be able to identify the specific product you really want to get. So now we're going to choose which of the pair we want to check. The coin I choose, the BSCS. What coin do we think we should choose? We're going to look for the one with high liquidity, the highest liquidity, and the highest liquidity here is with wrapped BNB, WBNB. So what do I do? I click on it, and boom, it's coming up. Now you can see the difference. This chart, now this looks exactly the way chart on TradingView looks like. The TradingView I talked about in my first trading video, but it's different from what we have here on CoinMarketCap. So that is what the one of the services deskscreener.com tends to offer us. We tend to see the accurate chart and how it looks and we also tend to see people that are buying. If you watch below, down here, you see here I'm scrolling the amount, this place I'm scrolling. It's telling us people that are buying and the amount they've bought. So you can literally tell people buying the coin and people selling. Are people buying or are people also selling? And another good thing about Desk Screener is it also gives details just the way CoinMarketCap give details. I used this coin as because that is what came to my head, but there are certain coins I would search on CoinMarketCap I will not find, but I'm using this as an example. So Desk Screener tends to give you that understanding about especially those new cap coins that are getting into the market. So for instance, you can see on this platform here, it's talking about the price of this token or this coin, the Binance matching solution, which is this Binance matching station, BSCS for short. You can see the price it is as like below, it's 0.05 cents. That is the price. And if you convert it to WBNB, this is what you would get, 0.00. And the liquidity is about $830,000, and the market cap is $2.1 million. The FDV simply means the fully diluted valuation, like fully diluted valuation is about $24 million. So you can see this is how it has been able to break the coin down for us for normal understanding. So we also have the 5 minutes time frame, the 5 minutes time frame, the 1 hour time frame. This 5 minutes simply means how many people have bought this coin in the past 5 minutes. No one has bought it in the past 5 minutes. In the last 1 hour, how many people have bought it? 6 transactions have happened in the last 1 hour. 2 people have bought, 4 people have sold. In the last 6 hours, 53 transactions has taken place in the last 6 hours. There were 22 buys and 31 sales. So you see, it gives you more details about a coin before you get into it, so you know what you're getting. So 24 hours also, 225 transactions, 112 buys, and 113 sales. And the volumes on the past 24 hours is $130,000. That is it. So if I want to add it to my watch list, I just simply click here. If I also want to set a price alert, let's say the price alert simply means just the same thing. You set a price alert just like the notification I explained also in the first video when it comes to CoinMarketCap. You set a price alert telling, like explaining, if the market gets to this price, That is what I want to buy. Or if it gets to this price, I need to get an alert. You understand? The alert is going to come either through Telegram or either through a price bot. So it's going to tell you the price you want to get into it and either sell or buy. That is what this price alert is, because you cannot just be watching the system or watching the screen every time. So we further go down. It further meant to tell us the peer, the BSCS, the contract address, the peer, the contract address, like it's the wrapped BNB address. Once you click here, it's gonna like automatically copy the contract address of the WBNB. The BSCS, this is the contract address. So, like for instance, if you want to like know another thing Desk Screener does is Desk Screener has literally taken away the Ethereum, the like it has literally taken away the Etherscan and the BNB. It has actually like kind of reduced you going through that. You can do everything on one platform. Before the screener came to be, if for instance, if you want to know about a coin like the BSCS, you need to copy the contract address, which I still have. You just come here, you paste it, and you search. It's like a long process. It's like a long process. Now you see, it is also showing us transactions that have been happening 30 minutes, 28 minutes. The same thing I just explained on Desk Screener. It shows you everything about the coin here. You understand? So Desk Screener has actually reduced the long process of coming on other exchanges, getting the information, then you then go on another exchange like maybe this exchange, which is called the Poo Coin App. Poo Coin App also does the same thing Desk Screener does, but not as sophisticated as Desk Screener. I'm going to paste the same contract address. You see it? Because it's a Binance coin. You see? The chart is still going to come out, but it's not as sophisticated as the screener.com. So, but all these also, you just need to get a basic knowledge about this platform. But let me finish with the screener, then I'll come to talk about these other platforms. So, on this place now, you can see the contract address of the peer, which is the WBNB. You have the BSCS, you have the pool, you have the pool, whatever, the pool of BSCS and the pool of WBNB. So, let's say you want to trade this coin because the coin is built under the Binance blockchain. So Binance blockchain as it is has so many coins that has been so many tokens, not actually coins. So many tokens has been created under the Binance chain. So do we have so many tokens that have been created under the Ethereum blockchain. So a typical example of what I'm trying to say is, let's say you want to make a website. If you want to make a website, certain people tend to build their website and create it from like the hosting right and everything. They do it from the scratch. Why certain people maybe hosting it might be very difficult for them. So what do? After they finish designing their website, they can either go to godaddy.com or they go to wix.com or something like if you understand what I mean. Then now Wix has already created a platform for you to host your website. What do? You pay them little money. They've created a template. They've created a network for you to do it. All you need to do is, after you're done designing your website, you just go on these places and you pay them certain amount of fee, either quarterly, monthly, or annually, and they host this, and they host your website for you for 1 year. You understand? So that is what most of these blockchain tend to do. They've made blueprints, they've created blueprints, they've created networks and how people can come and create other tokens on them. So that is when I say a certain token is created on a certain blockchain, that is typically what I mean. So in this situation, as we forge ahead, so here you can see the full information of this current coin we are talking about, this token we're talking about, how you can trade it on PancakeSwap, which is this PancakeSwap here I opened. If I want to trade on it on PancakeSwap, what do? I click automatically and it brings out the peer for me. You see, automatically this is the PancakeSwap. Because I don't have, I'll also talk about how you can import tokens on PancakeSwap. But let me finish explaining about the screener. So that is just it. If I want to trade the coin, I just click on this and make sure my MetaMask is connected. But I'm coming to that, but not yet. So as we are coming to the how you how you can get on MetaMask. So as we forge ahead, if you want to search them on Twitter, on Google, on PancakeSwap info, their scan on Stay Safe. Stay Safe is a platform to know if the coin, like, it's a website that tells you when a coin is good or bad. And do I use good or bad? When a coin is a scam, a trusted or not trusted. Scan on Token Sniffer, the same thing. Scan on honeypot.is. Honeypot is actually to tell you if that project is literally a good project or not a good project. Scan using Safe Analyzer, but all these are all areas to show you, to give you a level of trust about this coin, so that you know that you're actually buying the right token. You understand? That is what this part is all about. Then you come down. This is their website, the Twitter, and their Telegram. So you see all these things. This screener has explained everything in details for us. You don't need to go to different websites. Before the event of the screener, you need to go to like this website to check information about this coin, another website to trade the coin. You understand? But now you can do everything virtually, literally everything on the screener. And it's not just on one blockchain. You also have the same applicable for a blockchain like Ethereum. Look at my mouse. You also have the same for the a blockchain that, like the Polygon network. You also have for Avalanche. You also have for Phantom. You have for Harmony. You have for the Arbitrum. Any network, you majority of the network, not all by the way, majority of the decentralized finance network, decentralized finance blockchain network, you find them here. So it brings everything to one place for you, and you can literally navigate and do everything on just one platform, not different platforms. Then it also has something called the watch list, which I is also on CoinMarketCap. And or a watch list simply means, let's say you want to buy a coin, and you don't let's say you think it's a good project or a good token which you feel is a good project. You just need to just put it on the watch list by, let's say for instance, if it's this BSCS you want to put on a watch list. What do? You just come here and you click on watch list. Is it going to be on your main watch list, or you want to create a watch list? You can manage my list by creating a list. You can say, okay, mem coin list, main list. So whatever. So you can just add it to this list, and automatically, if you want to know coins which you have placed on a watch list you want to buy in the future, you just come here and literally you can find them. So that is another way the screener also adds value in the decentralized finance platform. I'm not going to be explaining the details about how this chart looks like, because you watch my previous video on trading course, where I talked about CoinMarketCap and trading view. I explained a little, I gave a basic understanding of how this chart works and how this platform works. So the next thing we want to do now is other value the screener tends to bring to the decentralized finance platform. Another thing again they tend to talk about is top gainers and losers. You see, you won't find it just like the way you have it. These are top gainers and losers when it comes to low cap coins, just the way you have it on CoinMarketCap. So you see, so Deskrina is like a platform that has both CoinMarketCap and both TradingView put together in one place. But now it is majorly meant for low cap coins. So now you see, these are like gainers and losers. This is a chart for them. This there's VIM, WBNB, the price, like they've lost so and so amount. So today, in the past 6 hours, they've lost 30%. This also coin, they've gained, I mean to say, 59% in the last 6 hours. So another thing again they do that I also like is these are top gainers, by the way. If you want top losers, you click, it brings top losers up for you. If you want top gainers, you click top gainers, it brings out top gainers for you. So another thing again is okay, in the last 24 hours, I didn't talk about this. This coin has did 656. That is why it is here. By the way, this first VIM coin. Wow. Imagine you getting into this coin like 24 hours ago with, let's say, $100. You've literally turned your $100 to almost $600 in the last 24 hours. So another thing again is all platforms. You need to choose if you want specific platform, coins or specific platforms. blockchain network platform. That is what I mean. You just choose. Once you toggle, you choose. Only coins on those platforms is what is going to appear here. But all platform is bringing out all the coin in this platform. Like for me as a person, I do more of coins either on Ethereum, BSC, and maybe Avalanche. But mostly I do Ethereum, BSC. But I'm looking into Phantom because they are like a hidden gem. Coins, tokens created under them are also doing well. So that is just it. How to see it. So on all platforms you choose. So typically that is another advantage of deskscreener.com. We also have Trends also is explaining to us currency that are trending, cryptocurrency or crypto tokens that are trending at the moment. So let's say the BSC Pancake Swap has been trend under the BSC network. This is the network, the blockchain network housing this coin BSC. So APYD and WBNB. APY Dodge. That is the name. People have been talking about it and it's been trending so far. This is the price 0.1 cents, zero point 0.1 or 0.15 cents thereabout. In the last 5 minutes, it has lost by now 16%. In the last 1 hour, it has made about 6.39%. In the last 6 hours, it has made about 4 point. You see, it has even gone down. It has even gone down in the last 4 hours. This is what they've lost so far in the last 4 hours. People are selling the coin, but it's trending also. So you see, this is their fully diluted value, $77,000. It's still a new coin. What I'm talking about, low cap. You see, the cap is just 71,000 or 70, 74, 77. Like you can see, people are even selling it. As you can witness, it's going down. People are dumping the coin at the moment. So that is one thing about DeFi. You just need to be smart, get in early, make your money, and get out. That is one thing about DeFi and trading all these meme or shit coins. Though it is lucrative, but you need to know how, you need to have a strategy and how to make money on it. So another trending coin is also the same coin, APY WBNB. It in the last 5 minutes, you see, it's the same. The first two coins are most trending. Then another one trending is Legend Dodge. Okay, this one is also trending so far. So that is how one another advantage of desk screener. And you come to new pairs. New pairs doesn't actually mean the coin is new. Let's say, for instance, a coin as like let's say maybe this first coin, which is under the Ethereum blockchain network, was only trading against let's say USDT or USDC. But now they are no longer trading with you. Like they've added another trading pair, which is like the wrapped Ethereum on it or the wrapped Avas. So that is what actually new pairs simply explains here. So another thing again is multi-chat, which I don't think is that important if it's depending on if you want to reach chat. So because literally this video, I'm making this video for newbies. So I don't think multi-chat is something I need to talk about in details in this video. So we'll be moving to the 1 minute. So I hope I've been able to explain a little bit more about the screen and how you can go around and navigate around the screen. I used one example, which is the BSC, because I'm going to be using BSC as my major example here for this video. The next thing I want us to talk about now is decentralized exchanges. So those exchanges I'm going to be talking more about. 1 minute. I'm going to be talking about PancakeSwap and Uniswap, but I'll be using PancakeSwap as my example. So before we get into PancakeSwap, we need to talk more about how we need to use that you need a decentralized wallet, and a decentralized wallet is a wallet like MetaMask. So how do you get MetaMask? MetaMask is an extension on Google Chrome. All you need to do is you type MetaMask extension on Google, and you'll be directed on how you can get it. I already have an account, so I don't think I want to sign another one. I just want to like explain before I come to. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to talk about MetaMask before we're going to be talking about MetaMask. I've been having issue with my system. I don't know. It's been crashing, but I think we're back. So what we are going to be discussing is how you can withdraw, send money, send cryptocurrency into your MetaMask, how you can withdraw, and how you can swap. So, in this video, first of all, I'll be sending some BNB token or BNB coin from Binance to my MetaMask. So, what do I do first? First thing I need to do before I start doing that, I want to show you how you can add other chain to your Binance network, because Binance, I said Binance, MetaMask, I mean to say, to your MetaMask wallet, because MetaMask is a decentralized wallet that is powered by Ethereum. So what actually happens is whenever you sign up to MetaMask, how do you sign up? You just go on Google and put MetaMask extension. And once you put MetaMask extension, automatically takes you to the extension on the Google Web Store. And there you add to Google, you add to Chrome. So once you add it to Chrome, you sign up. And MetaMask is not like any other wallet or any other email address or centralized exchange we have there. For you to sign up with MetaMask, you just sign up using 12 seed phrase is going to be provided. Random letters. They can use food, earth, hell, heaven, whatever they use in order for you to 12 letters, randomly pick letters. And that randomly pick letters might look normal to you, but that randomly letters is what will keep you in your wallet in case MetaMask tend to crash or anything happens. So always keep your seed phrase secure, in a secured place. Either you write them down, either you save them on a flash, but make sure they are secure. You never can know when, you don't know when you need them. So once that is done, you sign up. The first page it brings you to is the Ethereum. So Ethereum, mostly Ethereum actually, it's for you to be able to use other blockchain network on it, other decentralized blockchain network on it. What do you need to do? You need to add more networks. For I just added Binance on it now. So what do? I need to add more network. All I did is I connect it first of all to this website. You go to chainlist.org. Let me start afresh so you can see how I did it. First I come here. I need all, and also anytime you not connect to a site, always disconnect. How do you disconnect? You come here, you go to connected site and you click disconnect. Just what I did. I'm going to do it again. So what do I do now in this situation? I want to add let me see what net I want to add, maybe this phantom, or let me say I just want to add the avalanche network to my wallet. So what do? I refresh this page and you click on connect, and automatically it has connected to my MetaMask, as you can see. So once it connects to my MetaMask, how do I add this avalanche to my MetaMask? I click on add. I click on approve. I click on search network, and voila, that is just it. It's as simple as that. One thing that you see, now you can see it has changed to AVAX. Before I had just Binance Smart Chain and Avalanche C Chain and Ethereum mainnet on my wallet. But now you see I've added the Avalanche C Chain. So what does this simply mean? They are crypto coin, just like I explained earlier when I was talking about on the screener. You see on every blockchain, like I said, every blockchain tend to create a prototype or a blueprint for other coins to be made on them. So there are certain crypto tokens that has been made under the Avalanche C chain blockchain network. Some has created their token under the Binance Smart Chain network. Some has created theirs under Ethereum. So in this after like this, I'm just going to use as an example. I've showed you how you can add a wallet, a network to your a network wallet to your MetaMask wallet. So since I've done that, the next thing I want to do now is I just, like I said, always delete, always delete, always delete connected sites. 1 minute, connected site. Hold on. Let me refresh this. Okay, I already deleted without even knowing. That is why it's telling me to connect. So always delete anytime you connect your wallet to a foreign website or a foreign decentralized website, even if it is the most trusted, you never can tell what is happening. So always delete anytime you're done using your MetaMask to keep your funds safe on your wallet. So now, since we've done that, the next thing we want to do now is I want to send some crypto coin into my MetaMask wallet, and the coin I will be sending is the BNB. So the next thing I need to do now, I come up here. This is my wallet address. And one thing about decentralized wallet, for instance, I'm using MetaMask, is all MetaMask wallets, they all have the same wallet address, all networks. Now you can see this. The wallet address is OX83D. Watch on Avalanche. OX83D. On Ethereum, OX83D. So it's just one wallet address that is used for all of them. But for you, if you send a crypto coin, make sure if you're sending an Ethereum coin, make sure it's on Ethereum. If you're sending on Binance, if the coin you're sending or the token you're sending to your wallet is built on the Binance platform, make sure your network is on Binance. If it's on Ethereum, make sure it's on Ethereum. If it's on Avalanche, make sure you always change the network to the token, the blockchain which the token is built upon. Always change the network to the network the blockchain has been built upon. So now I want to send BNB, and BNB is a Binance native token. So it's on Binance, which I'm using as an example. So what is the next thing I'm going to do now? I copy my wallet address here. I come to my Binance, and let's go. I go to Fiat and Spot. And I'll just, okay, first I need to convert my coin to BNB. So what do? I just come here and let's say, let me see if I'll be able to say, I'll just convert 16. Let's see, 16 USDT, which is about $16. So I put the amount I want to convert. Oh, I need to convert like 20. 20. Yeah, that is the minimum I can convert to BNB. And all I do is preview. Now, exactly, look at it. I click on convert. And that is just it. Voila, I have converted to BNB from my USDT wallet. So the next thing I want to do now is transfer my BNB to my MetaMask wallet. So what do? I click on withdraw. And what is the address? I put automatically, Binance will detect the network. You see, it's a BEP20. That is a Binance matching network. Automatically, Binance will detect it. So what do I want to do, Max? I want to withdraw that amount. Withdraw. Confirm. Now I need to input the necessary password that will be sent to my phone for security reasons. Continue. Phone number and code. Now for phone number, it's coming. 1 minute. Yeah, it's been sent. 611-845. Then let me check for my email. For my email, 725-062. 725-062. Submit. That is just it. it has been, I've completed the transaction. All I need to do is I just go wait here. I come here and you would see it's going to reflect. You would see this is going to increase from 0.0076 to maybe zero point 0.4 or 0. Whatever. Let's just watch 0.04 thereabout. Let's see. Or zero, that should be the amount that is going to come into my wallet. Just watch in less than a minute. It's going to get here. Okay, 1 minute. We're still waiting. It takes within 3 to 4 minutes. Highest it's 5 minutes, how depending on the network and depending on how many people that are running the transaction on the network at a certain period of time. So that is what determines. You see, it has changed. I was even wrong. You see, it has changed to 0.056. It just arrived in less than a minute. So what is the next thing now we want to do in this situation? Let's say I want to like swap some of my BNB. I come here and let's say, what coin do I want to swap to? I want to swap to, first of all, before we swap, I need to add, let me show you how you can add a certain crypto coin directly to your MetaMask. So what do we do? I go to like Coin Market Cap. Now this is Poo Coin App. Poo Coin, it's a Poo Coin token. It's a native token of also Binance. So let's say I want to add it directly to my MetaMask. I can either click here and it's going to add directly, or I can copy. So I'm just going to show you. If I click here, you see it because it has connected to my MetaMask. You see, all I need to do is I click on add token and it will be added. But if I want to do it manually, how do I do it? I come here, I copy, I copy and I come to my MetaMask and I come down and I click on import. I put what I'm pasting is a contract address. That is what identifies it. Like a contract address simply means like a contract address is like in the normal day-to-day term is compared to as in the temporary in the normal setting it's called to like a license number. So in crypto it's called a contract address. So your license number or your license ID or your I or your ID number or something. So that is what differentiates you from others, because people can tend to create similar can use similar name to create a token, because this happens a lot in the crypto space. So what do you need to do? You need to always make sure you get the contract address of a particular token so that you don't end up buying a scam token. So now what do I do? I click on add, import, and that is just it. I've been able to import Poo Coin App. It wasn't here before. And let's say I want to swap some BNB to Poo Coin App. Go here, click on swap, and let's say you come here, you do Poo Coin. You see. So hold on. Poo Coin, or do I do to BUSD? Let me do to BUSD. 1 minute. Either try BUSD and Poo Coin. Let's see. So I'll go here, BUSD, BUSD. So what do I do? This is the contract address for BUSD. This is the contract address for BUSD. Now, BUSD, you can find it on Ethereum, you can find it on Binance, you can find it on Avalanche, you can find it on Velas or Harmony Network. All these are all different blockchain networks you can find BUSD on. So I'll just do is just, I used the manual way to add. Let me just automatically add this time around. Add token. Automatically, I have added the BUSD token. It's a stable coin, by the way, the native stable coin of Binance. So since I've added, let's see if I can convert. I can swap. Swap. Let me see. I'm swapping 0.2.202. Exactly. And let me select the token, BUSD. Let me review swap. Exactly. You see, estimated gas fee for this transaction is 0.29 cents. It can be expensive sometimes. Or let me see the best three quotes. Okay, it's the cheapest. And I click on swap. Automatically, I have swapped my BNB to BUSD. You can see I've swapped $8. You can see my BUSD. Now, if I want to swap back, I can just click on swap and choose BUSD to BNB. I click on maximum and I swap. You see, now this is the gas estimated gas fee, simply means cost of transaction. Now the other one was 20 cents. Now this other one is 40 cents, and I click on swap. It's gonna take just a few seconds. It's my alarm. Automatically, my transaction has been completed. I have automatically swapped back to my BNB. You see, I don't have BUSD. It is that simple. And let's say I don't actually buy coin using MetaMask. I just buy on Binance and I send to MetaMask. I don't do that. So let's say I want to send this all my coin back to my Binance. So how do I do it? I come here, I click on send. But before I do that, I want to show you other ways also you can swap using other network, just like what I've done here. Before I send to my before I send back to before I send some of this coin, this the BNB to my Binance, I want to show you how you can also connect your wallet to other platforms. Let's use Pancake Swap, which is like the home, the native, another native coin for the exchange, the decentralized exchange, one of the major decentralized exchange for Binance. So how do I, or let's say I want to like, instead of swapping, or instead of sending any, especially swapping, or if I want to buy new token on Pancake Swap, how do I do it? First of all, I connect my Pancake to my MetaMask. It has connected. So what I do is next, connect. Automatically now you see my MetaMask has connected to this, to what is it called, to Pancake Swap. So what do I need? I'm just giving you a basic knowledge or basic understanding on little things. As time goes, I might make more videos on how you can trade and how you can earn like yield farming and pools on. I don't do this is the lottery part. I don't do this part. I'm either doing the farm and the pools or the NFTs. But that will be much later. I'll be making videos on that. So what do I do? Let's say I want to swap. Automatically I'm on the swap platform. You see? Now let's say, what do I want to swap? I want to swap this. The same thing I did. I can literally change this to BNB. To no, I mean BNB to BUSD. So I can do the same thing I did on my MetaMask on PancakeSwap, and it in less than the same minute. So it has connected to my MetaMask. So it's now representing my MetaMask. And let's say there's a new coin that is listed on the Binance platform. All I need to do is copy their contract address and make sure I have added them to my. I can always look for them here. You understand? I can always put their contract address here. Look at this part. Now, this is the contract address of BUSD. And let's say there's a coin I want to buy. And because so many coins can come with one name, you can just say, let's use Poo Coin. You would see there are so many things, baby poo, sea poo. So you see, you just, for you to be able to buy the actual coin you need, always make sure you copy their contract address, and you can just paste the contract address here. And once it comes here, you can just, it comes, you click on it, you add. You understand? So I think let me get another. Let me Let's say, let me just do a typical example. Uh, Hold on. Let me do a typical example. Let me use BSCS. BSCS. Also a Binance token. Let me just practicalize it. I come here. The same way you add on your MetaMask, I just want to add here so you see. I just copy address. I go on my exchange here. I paste. Have you seen it? Import. I understand. Import. Exactly. I have imported BSCS here. And if I go to my MetaMask, you'll be surprised it is there. You see? Hold on. Oh, I need to also add it here, by the way. I need to also add it here. I need to also add the coin here. So all I need to do is, um, all I just need to do is come back here and add. So as you see, I have just added another coin here. So that is actually um, um, what PancakeSwap does. It makes exchanges easy for you, just the same way you see, just the same way you use your MetaMask. Because sometimes MetaMask can be congested, especially when you want to like swap a coin. So what do? You link to PancakeSwap and carry out the transaction, or carry out the transaction on PancakeSwap, and automatically it's going to be recorded in your MetaMask wallet. So it's also vice versa for the same thing. Everything I've talked about Binance is also the same way it works with Uniswap. Uniswap is now the native coin of Ethereum. So what do? If I launch the app, you see, now, like, this is a Uniswap, but now I need to change to, for it to work, I need to connect it now, not to Binance, by the way. I need to change my network to, I need to change my network to Ethereum. Let me show you. I need to, you see it's on Binance, but it's, even though if I add it, it's not going to work. I need to change to Ethereum. And once I change to Ethereum, I can connect to MetaMask. Try again. 1 minute. I don't know what is happening. Oh, it's already giving me the sign here. So you see, connect with MetaMask next. Connect. That's just it. Switch network to Ethereum. As you can see, I've connected the same wallet address. It has connected. So the same process I talked about Uniswap, that is how it works here with Ethereum. So I just use Uniswap, PancakeSwap as an example to explain how Uniswap works. So the same thing I did on PancakeSwap, that is what you can do on Uniswap. The same way you can also get into pools. Everything, they all look alike. You just need to understand one platform. And once you understand one platform, you can be able to understand others, because virtually all of them, they all have one user interface. So I hope I've been able to explain how you can navigate using your MetaMask, connecting it to other wallet address, and you can also transact. So the third thing I want to talk about now is Poo Coin App. So what is Poo Coin App? Poo Coin App is just like Descreener, but Poo Coin App is a native token of Binance Smart Chain. So the coins you will find here, let's say I'm gonna paste the BSCS I have here. You see, the coin you will find here are coins that are built under the Binance Smart Chain network. So most coins that are built under the Binance Smart Chain network are what you will find here. And you can easily do the same thing, like if I connect it now to my wallet. Let's say I connect it to my MetaMask. MetaMask. I'm connecting it to my MetaMask now. So you see, no, it's taking time. Oh, it's not connecting because my network is on Ethereum. I need to change my network here. You see what I'm saying? You need to change you always need to change to the blockchain network of or the blockchain network of which the cryptocurrency or the token you want to connect with is under. Because of BSCS is under the Binance chain network, that is why I could not connect to my wallet. Now you would see it will connect because I have changed it to Binance. Automatically, you see it has changed. It's now giving me logout. Now my coin are like I'm connecting now. I am communicating. This website is communicating directly to my wallet. So I can literally do the same thing. Let's say I want to buy a crypto coin. I can literally do it on this platform. I can literally do it on this platform. So what does it actually do? Let's say there's let's go. This is the home of Poo Coin App. I have about $21. You see, my balance is showing I have about $21 that is left in my wallet, which I sent from Binance earlier. So if I want to buy any crypto coin, I can literally buy it here using the Poo Coin app. I can also do the same thing, which I explained what is it called on which I explained on the screener. I can literally do everything here. It gives you it's a platform for low cap coins that is built under the Binance network. Low cap coins that are built on the Binance network. That is what Poo Coin app is all about. You tend to see their charts, you tend to see trades, people that are buying and selling. For instance, this are people buying this coin at the moment. The red are people selling the coin at the token at the moment. The green are the people buying the token at the moment. So you always see people selling and buying, and you can also kind of how do I put it? You can also swap. You understand? You can trade, which is swap. You see the same thing. You can swap any coin. Just the same thing you see that happens on Pancake Swap or what you do on MetaMask. You can easily do it on PooCoin app without going to your MetaMask. So that is just how it works. All these are connected. That is the advantage of decentralized wallets. You don't even need to put password. You don't need to provide your ID or anything to run transaction here. That is the advantage. But the disadvantage is sometimes if you're not careful, you can easily lose your phone, and there is no one you can reach out to when you lose your phone. So when you're in this space, you need to be very careful so that you don't lose your phone or you don't lose things. You don't lose your token, and uh, that is just it about it. Now we'll go back to MetaMask. I want to show you how I can send back most of this coin back to my wallet. So what do? I come first of all to my Binance. When I come to Binance, I go to my wallet, fiat and spot. I come to fiat and spot. I'm trying to tell you how you can send from here to your decentralized wallet. So I have sent from here to my MetaMask. I want to send back from my MetaMask to my Binance. So what do? I go to deposit on another BTC, by the way, so I don't lose my phone. You need to be very careful. Always, I choose BNB deposit, and I choose on the network the BEP20. It gives me the address, wallet address. Now this is the wallet address from my BEP20. I copy it. I come to my MetaMask. What do I do next? I send. I put my wallet address. Have you seen it? Now this is it. The gas fee is about uh 5 0.05 simply means like cents. So I can literally change it. Another thing you should understand is the lower the gas fee, the slower it is for your transaction to be carried out. The higher the gas fee, the faster it is for your transaction to be carried out. Next, I'm sending how much do I want to send and BNB. Estimated gas fee is this. Okay, I confirm. Hold on. Let me cancel. I sent. Can you imagine? 1 minute. Can you imagine me sending zero zero? This is very funny. 1 minute. I'm gonna do it again. The amount I want to send, I forgot adding the amount. I made a mistake. So how much do I want to send? 0. How much BNB do I have? Let me use 0.4, 0.39, or 0.3. Oh, 0.04. Exactly. That is the amount I want to send. Now click on next. 0.04 and confirm. Now I've sent. That is just how you do it. There is nothing difficult about it. I'm not speeding up, just send. Speeding up simply means they will take more for the cost of transaction. So all you need to do now, we just come back here and wait for the funds to hit our wallet. You would see the 0.04 appear here in less than no time. And it also always make sure, let's say you're sending BNB, always make sure you have a bit of BNB in your MetaMask wallet. If it's Ethereum you're sending, always make sure you have a bit of Ethereum, because that from there is where they deduct the transaction fee from. On anything you're doing, they need to deduct a transaction fee. So we just need to wait here for a while and we would see it's gonna appear. It's gonna take like 2-3 minutes. Let me pause the video, then I'll be back once we are here. So, like I told you, as you can see, it just arrived. Now 0.04, which I sent. That is just how simple and easy it is for you to send money from your MetaMask to Binance and from Binance to MetaMask. So enough said. I think I've explained. I talked about explaining how to use the screener, which I did. Decentralized exchanges, I used Binance. I used. I've not talked about decentralized exchanges. I talked about exchanges are more of the Pancake Swap, and I used Pancake Swap as a case study. I talked about Poo Coin App also. I've talked about MetaMask, how you can add new token and how to add network using chainlist.org. Then I think I'll just brush through. All I'm just gonna do now is brush through what this decentralized the BSC scan and what they do, because decentralized exchanges are supposed to be for. I think this is just a rough sheet of what I'm supposed to be talking about. 1 minute. Yeah. So I'm just going to talk about more of, hold on, decentralized exchanges should be from this. Pancake Swap, Uniswap, SushiSwap, those are exchanges on the decentralized platform, and even Poo Coin App. So I'm just going to talk about Etherscan and BSC scan. Then I think that will be all for this video today. Before that, let me convert. 1 minute. Because the market, literally, I just made a post about the market going to be crashing. There's going to be a big dump in the market before the end of this month of April. It might happen even before this week, even this weekend, because I'm making this video on the 4th of April. I'm making this video on the 22nd of April 2022. So, and it's on a Friday morning, like it's 3 a.m. in the morning. I'm making this video. So there's a big dump coming in the market, and I just need to convert this little coin I have here, just because I'm just playing around with it. So 1 minute, I'm gonna convert, then talk about BSC scan and its scan, and that will be all for today's video regarding how to navigate the decentralized platform. Oh, BNB by preview conversion, convert, okay, convert successful, overview, just do the conversion again back to USDT because why I converted all my USDT to BNB is because the minimum amount you can convert is 20 USDT. Wow. I do another conversion, convert, nope, BNB to USDT, BNB max to USDT, preview conversion, and voila, we are done with this for now. So now let's talk about how you can use BSC scan. Simply whatever I'm going to talk about here, I've also talked about it about the screener because whatever you're looking for on BSC scan is typically what happens on the screener. BSC scan simply means coins or token that has been built under the Binance platform. So what does it do? It only the only difference it tends to give you more details about a certain coin. And the coin I'm going to be using as a case study is BSES. It's our case study for today. So you come here and you put the address of the coin or the token here. And hold on, why am I not seeing it? 1 minute. I just go to the home address, paste. Exactly, look at it. BSC station token. Now, what does it do? This is the advantage of the BSC scan because I will be using it. I'm just using Binance as an example because why am I using Binance? I am using it because their gas fees, which is also known as transaction fee, is much more cheaper compared to that of Ethereum. So anything you see me doing here on Binance, it's applicable to the Etherscan also. It's applicable to the Etherscan. You see, they all look alike. It's the same platform. They have the same user interface. So you can easily navigate through it if you understand one user interface. So what does BSC scan does? It gives you details about a certain token, much more details, more than desk screener, but it's similar. So what does it do? It tells you transaction that is being carried out on the token. It tells you what type of token it is. It's a BEP token, which is a Binance token. It's the contract address. It's verified, which simply means their contract. Now, this is their source code and their white papers, like the contract address, how the contract address has been built. So everything, the way you want to research, you see the way you want to invest into a company, you go and you go to the what is it called? You go to the Inland Revenue Service of the registration board or the company registration board of of a particular country, of a particular city which you are in, and you want to know more about a certain company. All you need to do is you take the you take the license number of that company because virtually every company they put out their license number on their website. Once you take their license number, you go to the board that governs newly built company in that state or in that country. Give them the license number, and automatically everything about that country, about that company, will be presented to you if that company is a legit one. So that is what this BSC scan literally does. You get the contract address of a cryptocurrency you want to purchase. You put it here, and then you can know all about the token and to build your trust. To build your trust more about it, and you tend to know more about this token. That is what BSC scan literally does, and I think that is just all about it. There is nothing much to explain. You tend to see events that is coming up on the platform, uh, not actually the event. Okay, the hash rate, like how the coin is being mined and analytics. So literally what BSC scan does is it explains, it gives you detailed, it gives you more detail and gives you a sense of how do I trust before you get into any, before you buy into any token. and it's only explaining to you all under or coin under the under Binance. That is what BSC scan does. For Ethereum, likewise, coin that are built under the blockchain of Ethereum. That is what it explains to you. So at this time, I'm going to be ending this video here, and please kindly click the like and the subscribe button to support me as we build this tutorial, because I think this video might be, for now, I'm going to take a break. I'm not going to be making longer videos like this. This video is going to be the last video I'll be making, because I've literally talked about the basic knowledge from understanding crypto to the basic knowledge on decentralized finance. So if you take your time and watch the other three videos I have, plus this, which I'll be posting any moment from now, which is going to be online soon, you'll be able to, because I'm not doing this video live, by the way, it's pre-recorded. So if you take your time to go through this, I'm very sure you would have learned and gotten a basic knowledge about crypto to a certain level. So thank you once more, and kindly click the like and subscribe button. See you next time.